prints are definitely the most popular digital products on Etsy, with over 9 million search results, with popular themes like eclectic art prints, mid-century art prints, vintage style prints, positive and spiritual prints, brand new artificial intelligence prints, and so much more. We will talk right away about the most popular themes, but let's explore for now what have most listings in common. As you can see from the very first page, most listings are either bestsellers or popular now, even Etsy's pick, and they have that badge with sale ends in 10, 12 hours to create a sense of urgency in your potential customer. So don't forget to play with the sales. Start a sale, leave it for 2, maximum 3 days, then start a new sale right away. The beauty of digital artworks is that they generate passive income, and you do not have to worry about shipping and the quality of the actual print. The customer takes care of everything. What you need to do is make sure that the final file uploaded, PNG or PDF, is in high resolution, at least 300 dots per inch, so that they get a very good printing quality even if they scale up and print on larger materials. Include watermarks on the photos that you upload at listing photography, not the files themselves that they upload after purchase, so that they cannot simply, save as the photo from Etsy without buying it. Include a disclaimer where you mention that the listing is for personal use only and they cannot resell it, and you own all the copyrights. If a design becomes popular, you can also sell commercial license for 100 prints, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Be very careful with copyrights and trademarks. Etsy is very sensitive when it comes to these, so avoid using any famous characters, film posters, you know it. Avoid also purchasing artworks from other designers or sellers or even from other websites, because they are very often for personal use only, so you can't resell them. Now, a great trend nowadays is artificial intelligence, and you can create absolutely stunning works with this. And there are a couple of websites that you can play with, like Night Cafe, DALL-E 2, Mid-Journey, but of course these comes with a price. And there is another one completely free, Stable Diffusion. The only downside is that you need a really powerful graphics processing unit to get the highest quality at a good speed, and I believe only the gaming computers have this. Don't rely on apps or simply the basic version of the website, as you will not get that high quality image that you can sell. Nonetheless, this is an amazing trend and such a powerful tool to use. One of the more friendlier websites for graphic design is Canva. Here you can play with the text and fonts and create different quotes or prints with sayings, which are also extremely popular. With almost 700,000 results, the quotes prints are in high demand. The definition prints are also great. The search narrows down, so it eliminates most of the competition, but they are still really popular and so easy to create. Customized items are always the best sold listings. Any type of customization sells, so I highly recommend creating custom quote prints as well. You can see a lot of listings with your custom text, so you can either create a personalization box, as this listing has, and do the prints for the customers yourself every time you get a sale, or let the customer do the work with Cordial. Now, let's talk about the most popular themes when it comes to art prints. Apart from quotes and sayings that are so easy to create, other popular themes are women prints. From nudes, one-line art, minimalist portraits, almost 2 million results. Last time I checked, there were 1 million results, so trust me, this is a rising trend. Abstract prints. Over 1.5 million results. Landscape prints, over 1 million results. Flower prints, over 1 million results. Boho prints, again over 1 million results. Photography and posters, from landscapes to street photography and portraits, over 700,000 results. Be careful here with copyrights. You can even try your own photography or choose vintage photos. There are lots of anonymous street photos from the 20s or 30s and many vintage works that can be used. Travel prints, over 600,000 results. Nature prints, over 500,000 results. Funny prints, mostly quotes or memes, over 400,000 results. City and map prints, over 340,000 results. Personalized maps are also very popular. Vintage style prints, almost 150,000 results. Amazing niche and so popular. Zodiac prints, over 100,000 results. Safari prints, mostly for nursery, over 100,000 results. Spiritual prints, almost 100,000 results. This is a fantastic opportunity as it is a growing niche which is not yet oversaturated and not so competitive. So, unlock your inner god or goddess and start creating stunning, colorful, and positive spiritual art prints that are ready to be sold. Trippy art prints. Here you have another amazing opportunity as there are only 30,000 results. So it is a great niche which is constantly growing and you can create amazing art with artificial intelligence and you can seize the moment. Sets of digital prints are also very hot, especially the ones that come in sets of 10 different art prints in the same style. For example, vintage style prints of different European cities, landscapes or animals in different sizes. How amazing is that? This is a recap of all the best art prints and all the amazing themes that you can explore.